This one easy standing move can help you lose belly fat fast without crunches, without floor exercises, and without any equipment. If belly fat is the most stubborn area for you, then stay with me and don't skip this. Hi, I'm Natasha, Mohan, a dietitian and a fitness coach, and today I'm guiding you through a simple movement that works your core deeply and helps target stubborn belly fat when done correctly. This exercise may look easy, but the way we perform it activates your abdominal muscles, increasing calorie burn and keeps pressure off your knees and lower back. We'll use the same movement and gradually progress it so your body stays safe and effective. Now, before we start, let me ask you something. Just think about it honestly. What bothers you more, the belly fat that shows when you sit or the belly fat that shows when you stand? Just comment below, sit or stand. I shall understand. Keep that in mind because this movement targets the belly in both positions. Let's begin. I'm going to show you this simple and easy movement. What are we waiting for? Let's give it all you got. So before we begin the actual exercise, let's loosen up our muscles a bit by doing a little warm up, which is a high knee, which is so simple and so generic. So no more excuses. Do it along with me just the way I am doing it. Well done. Now let's move on to the beginner level first very move. So now beginning with the first very move, which is completely beginner friendly. Again, high knees, but this time you don't have to touch your knee, but you have to touch your heel like this. Come on, you can do it. You're doing really well. Keep doing it along with me. You're sure to feel the stretch and the burn, the tightening and toning of your abdominal muscles. No pain, no gain. Don't stop just yet. Well done! So proud of you! You've completed the beginner friendly level, and now let's move on to the intermediate level, which again is quite easy and doable. Super enjoyable too. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. What more do you need? Let's do it together. So now for the second level, you have to touch your heel again, but this time backwards like this. Let's do it. happy for you because you've completed the beginner and the intermediate level and you've graduated onto the advanced level. Now this is super easy again, but all the more strengthening. Now what you have to do is bring your toes out and touch your toes like this. Great job for completing this workout. Remember, you don't need complicated routines or extreme exercises to lose your belly fat fast. You need the right movement done consistently with proper control. So do this regularly, stay patient, and let your body adapt naturally. And if you want proper guidance, a structured plan, and personal support to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, you can join my weight loss program. The link is given below in the description. The details are mentioned below. And my team and I will guide you step by step. Thank you for working out with me today. I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I'll see you soon again in the next video. Until then, take care.